And welcome to part 2, folks. Yes, we are now doing the golden chain. $10, $20 tickets. There it is right there. And we are starting with tickets number 54. So it's actually almost a brand new pack. So hopefully we can find something in this. What are we looking for? Well, we are looking to perpetuate, that's for sure. We went from the 10s, now we're up to the 10-20s. So we had 10 10s, now we're at 10 20s. And we are looking for a bird symbol right there. And you win automatically. You find a gold bar, you win 10 times the prize. That would be nice, a $200 winner right that. If you get 20 under that. Loaded with $200 prizes, winning numbers, and your number. So it's a match and scratch with some symbol action. 1 and 3, 2, 3, not bad. So 20, 30, 50, kind of plays around just a hair. Not too bad. So we like it when it does that. That actually gives you a $200 winner in every pack, which we actually care about, or it's slightly off, which is not too bad. So let's get to scratching and find out if we can continue this perpetuation event that we are actually trying to do. Have some fun along the way. Well, at least we got everything covered. We got 11 and 12 and 2. No dyslexics. Now, the problem with this ticket is I have no idea where the numbers are whatsoever. I have no idea where they are. They're somewhere. I have to find them. There's no grid. But the game is actually quite nice when you can actually win $100 and, $200 winner in every pack. Almost, I should say. Let's do that today. We know that we have more fun when we win. If you don't win, well, less fun. Being with you guys is always fun. We like to see you cheer on for those big winners, even though we don't always get them. There is a 4 when we are looking for a 5. 15. Getting closer. 26. Can't have that any other way. A 10. Not a chance on that. Or that. 40s are just out of it. It's out of the realm of reality. 30s also. Because look at all the small numbers we got in there. I mean, those are the winning numbers. Come on. I know. We can't get those high numbers when we have the low numbers. Be kind. We still have $30 tickets that we want to be able to get, which I may have to stop after that if I can't get a decent number. I may just do it anyways. 14. Looking for 11 and 12 and an 18. So, maybe we can try. Dyslexic match of our 2. Or I need a 22 to win. Number 9. 9 is fine. 11, 12, 13. That's what we're doing. I see what we're doing. Dancing around that number. No 30s. Highest I think we got up there is a 22. So even if we wanted to win on that, we can't. Final chance. And we got plenty more where that comes from. 1 off. 18 is the winner on that one. 22 to win on that. Now we boxed it in, didn't we? And a 16, 17, 18, 19. Can't get any action on that one. That is not the worst thing to have happen because we still have 9 more to go. Give us something good. Of course, we were looking forward to having a redo on that 11. Give it another shot in that number 2. This does not scratch very well on this holographics. And there's our 22 that we were looking for all this time. There's a dyslexic match. All Alrighty. Just like his match on 40, on 14. 42, no. 21, 24, and 22. We were looking for that one. There's our unlucky number 12. We had a 12 and 11. Do not let us down. Brand new 20s. The best 20s, actually. 12, 26 that we could find. 39, 18, and 37. It's just the way it is. 19 showing up again. If only we could get the match of it. Can't win all the time, but losing still sucks. 49, 25, 16. 5 and 19. Looking for that too. Lucky number 2. And we found the 3 instead. Gotta find a nesting bird in this tree, because this tree is burning down fast. Burning down fast. 8, 46, 48. 17 and 3. Last row. 32 is what we're looking for, and 36. $40, $15, $45. No 40s. 33, 35. And another Loserville. We are walking down Loserville. Don't know how much we're going to get back on this. We'll have to find out. In order to continue on, now we are looking for number 8. All right. Let us see what we can find around the horn. Any symbols whatsoever. The gold bar giving us what we really want. That nice 10 times. I call it the lead bar. We got a 9, but not the 8. All right. Going around the horn. Find anything today? We can hope. Lucky number 1. With that showing up, we've got to find something. It's got to be there now. I don't know. Maybe I feel it today. I almost thought that was a winner. It's that 3. Had to swallow it. Say, nope. That one was almost got me too. All right, we went around the horn. Didn't seem to find that. It's not the end all be all, though. It's not the end of the road. Still got more to look for. All right, that's just the test numbers. Let's see if we can't find anything else. We'll go around the horn and then we'll start digging into the center. 41. Nope. How about a 31 around the way? Yeah, there's that 13, a dyslexic one. In another universe, it would have been a win. Just not in ours. 26. At least the 6 showed up. How about a 30? Got a dyslexic 30. How about a 40? Some universe that could have showed up too. Here we go, right in the middle. 28, nope. Not the right 40s. A number 2. It was playing with us for a while. Not the right 40. Still not. 6 came out to play. Wrong single. Looking for an 8. Unlucky number 33. And a 34. Got in the way. 34 got in the way of a win. For 1 and 3, 3, 2, 3, we sure are playing with them odds pretty quickly. Alrighty. Can't bet on everything. Getting some losing ponies right now. Can't lose all the time, they say. I like it when they say can't win all the time. Because then you know you're getting something. Like some happy times. Alright, we got any doubles of numbers? Double numbers tell us that we are winning. I like finding those. The lucky number 1. It's lucky. It's lucky that it shows up and you win. That's what it is. And the double bar. Goalposts. All right, lots of 40s this time. Will they rain it on us? I got them all covered. As many as I can. All right. See if we can't find anything. Number 3. All right, 1 and 4. 33. Dyslexic 3. 36. Yes, it is. There we are. $10. Okay, so we got the 36. But it's only 10, so there's got to be one more at least. How about a 29? Sometimes when you get blind to it. 21. That is our second 10. Making us 20. There it is. A dyslexic match on a 12. So it is actually possible to get the dyslexic matchup and still win. Not necessarily a bad thing. 17. That's actually pretty cool when you do that. You can actually still win on the dyslexic. Everything else you just fail. 2. Why would I want a number 2? Now, there's 20 bucks on that one. Well, that's a forced win. Especially when you do $20 tickets and you get 10 of them and all you get is 1 win. That can actually be pretty bad. Hopefully we get something bigger than that the next time around. And they could have forced the win on us. We couldn't find a single 2, so let's try with a double. Let's try with a double 2. Looks like something big if we do get it. 12 and 13, 14 also. This one should have everything covered. Three is showing up a lot. Lucky number 7. Lot number 7. Cast that lot 7. For the win. Let's say that. 7 for the win. I'm looking for that lump of lead. I mean, I could still probably give you... I don't think they waste that symbol, because it looks like they're not wasting symbols on this. double bar right next to the single. Double bar ranch. All right, lucky number 7 is what we're looking for. Let's go. Looking for that lucky number 7. We got lots of singles this time. 39. 29. When you do have like a one-off, you start losing those. How about a number 9? We're looking for that 7, so if we're going to give us singles, almost. 47. What? What about the 48? And then the 37. Not in this realm. How about a 36? Got a 46, but not the 36. Crunching down on that. Not a, we don't get the 2 in a row. Back-to-back winners, not today. Couple more tickets left to go. We got about half left to go. Should at least find another 2 winners, I hope. Oh, that 8 over there again. Why do I say about... I always... Whenever I pull like about 10 tickets from the Idaho lottery, I always expect to get at least 3 winners. It's just the way it is. 1 in 3X is what they say. There's our winning numbers, which they conveniently forget to put down in here. That's looking at you odds makers. 45. Flip that switch. And that becomes 29. And then a winner. Got the dyslexic of 41 and 14. I know we can't do that for real, but if we were masters of our own destiny, maybe we could. 20. 31. 43. 36. There's those double bars again. 34. Where are double bars winning us? Oh, of course. $200,000 for the number 11. Can you believe it? And then the 44 Magnum. Ones and twos. Ones and twos. I would be happy just to find either or. Swinging the 19 hammer. Okay. There's that 2 again. See? Then we got 22. See, I says, do we have the double 2s? I either find one or the other. 47 is singing. Off key because it is not winning. And then a number 6. Gotta have that lucky number 7. There's our 7 from the last one that we wanted. A 38 stinker. $25 could win. He could. And a lucky number 40. When we find that down there, doesn't match very often, but when it does, it's good. There's a dyslexic match of that. We are still looking for 7 or 8. Final clutch corner. 23. We have a 22, but it is not going to make it quite there. Doesn't stand up quite tall enough. All right. May only get 1. That means I picked bad patches and everything. What does that say about me? Nothing. Just says that unlucky. And then there's number 8 again up there. When an 8 is up there, you lose. 6, 7, 8. Got everything covered now. All right. Now that we... a win. They had to force it. They had to force it because we were crunching those numbers badly. That is what you call a pity win, folks. The pity win. We found the bird. Or Idaho flipping us the bird. There you go. 10, 39, 33. Yeah, I can't make this stuff up. They just put the bird down there and they flipped it. What can I say? Hopefully it's something good. Usually it's 20 when they flip the bird. Because I'm losing so bad there. Is it just looks like a match of 21? 32. It is a little tough to scratch because of this hard holographics. 42. Can you get more birds? Got a 30. 6, 7, and 8. Yep. When Idaho Lottery has sorry for you, that's what they do. A 16th candle. Number 3. Nothing there. Can I have multiple birds? That's a double bird. That's even more scary. 18. That would even be more scary. The double bird. And then I can like get killed right over the coals today. Cooled down real bad. Got really chilly around the Idaho Lottery lately. That's what happens. You're hot and then you're cold. A 1. 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we start singing, right? No, please. Don't sing. 13. Big round 20. Got 21. And a 45. And 45 matches. All right, that's probably the flip the bird. That's probably $10 and then like 20. Oh, yeah, they flipped me the bird big time. Okay. We pulled a bad patch, I'm telling you. There's no big winners today. That's the lottery. I mean, I can lose... On this, you get $40. $50 would make me have 25%. So I'm batting real bad right now. That's 40. That is real bad. All right, we are really bad. Doing really bad. Yep, I won't be able to do much of anything else later. That's for sure. 3 more tickets. Still possibility to get something real good. Holding out for the hero. There's our lucky 7 up there. All right, we're holding out for a hero now. One of these last 3 tickets needs to be a hero ticket. Can it happen? It can. Will it happen? That is the question. Yep, got a 5. Okay, there we go. 26, 25, 30. No, we have everything is in the about 20. So anything else is not going to get it. That's not available. $15s was possible, but they're all 30s. There's the unlucky 40. Can't hit that. It's just an impossibility. 27 is as high as it can go. There's a 13. Can't get that. Nope. Can it get this bad, folks? Oh, yeah. You spend $200 and all you get is 40 back. That's like not even 25%. That's the worst hit that I could ever have in my life. All right, none of those are there. No 40s. Nope. Just continuing on of fail. $31.14.2. 22.47. And a loser. Ugh. Well, if you want to say like you're tuned into the lose channel, this is the losing channel, where we scratch tickets and we find all the losers. And that's what it is today. That's what we feel like today. It's not always that way, but, you know, what can we say? Wipe out all the money that we actually earned from the last time. 33. That 8 is up there again. Oh, I'm starting to believe the dyslexia. 43. I know, if I just believe, if I just, you know, hunker down and believe that the 11 will come through for us. This is 42. A 37 when we need a 36. 12. A 31. 21. We need a big double bang here. Hundo and hundo. 13. 48. 23. Oh, there's going to be a lot of sorrow this week. 46. That's what we see in this future. 39. There was my 7. Can't seem to find it when I need it. 30. There's a dyslexic match. Upside down, backwards, left and right. Instead of right to the left. Lucky number 1. If only I had the lucky number 1 up there. 18, need an 8. We have an 8, but it's an extra +1 on the front. 34. What's the difference? An 8 is an 8. 19. I'd like to argue that. Technically, you have a win, but it's not. And our lucky 40. All right. All right. How taking bets now on the odds on that final ticket being a loser. Here we go. Ticket number 45. Where was I today? Where was the luck? There's a dyslexic match covered. Any which way we get that. It's just ugly today. Don't know what else to tell you. So much dead space. I'm telling you. 37. I got your 26 right here. Smack. Dyslexic match on 10 and 1. 35. And 32. There's our dyslexic match on 21. Told you, they're playing that game. I hear it loud and proud. There's my 22. And 2. We're going to play it hardball. 25. I'm playing the mismatch is what I'm doing. We are playing the mismatch game. 27. 28. That's not a win. Not even close. Gotta play the mismatch. 47. Where we don't match. This is where we do not match numbers. I will pull that up. It's an 18. And then that singing song of 43. I am singing the swan song. 44. Because we are about ready to dive off a cliff. 6. Right my wheel and jump off that cliff. Because here it goes. Last row. I don't know. Sometimes pays to stay in bed. Yeah, it sounds like the losing was just waiting for me, I guess. No matter how long I wait. Lucky number 7. That's what it feels like, folks. It's like just like waiting for the losing. Just waiting for me. Last number. 39. There it was. Total destruction. Out of nowhere. 40 bucks. Less than 25% back. Worst day in our lives. Well, that's it. I'm going to be calling this one. About $300 worth of lottery for 250 bucks. Well, we still got 40 of that back. There it is. Swan song. Pain, evil, how to turn. I should call this video how to turn 250 bucks into 40. That's probably what I should do. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you like and what you don't. Sorry for the 30-minute time limit for absolutely nothing. It was just like a waste of time to me. So you guys take care, and we'll hopefully try to forget this and move on, because now I only got about 140 bucks. Take care, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.